we have got some special gifts from our donors from Australia, Mr. Ainkaran Sivaratnam, Melbourne. We have very thankful for this valuable things to our patients. So this will help to the health improvement and the services. We need more donation from you guys. Like, thank you so much for this best gifts. This actually this we couldn't get from other societies, but we get something like this. So this is very we are grateful to this donation. Thank you so much.